Kitty cat trapped in the bathtub is what I like to call this. Hey, what the hell are you doing? Get your ass out of there. Barrett, where are you trying to go? What are you trying to do? No. What the? Get your ass back in there. Get in there. Get back in that bathtub. You ain't staying in here. Get in the bathtub, cat. Go on. Get in there. Up. Bathtub now. Get your ass in there, boy. You staying in there for the rest of the week. It's your new fucking home. You don't want to stay anywhere else. You want to come out of this bathroom with your whole damn life. And that's just how it's going to be. Got that? Good. Learn it, love it. Hey, get your ass back in there. Live it. The bathroom life is a life for you. Little pussy. Get in the damn bathtub or else I'll get you in there if it's the last thing I do. Bye for now. There'll be another episode of The Bathroom Kitty. Get your ass in that bathtub.